The Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Ammous delves into the historical, economic, and technological aspects of Bitcoin, positioning it as the digital counterpart to gold in terms of its potential to act as a secure, decentralized store of value. Ammous starts by exploring the concept of money, tracing its evolution from barter systems to precious metals, and finally to fiat currencies. He emphasizes the importance of hard money over the centuries, which is scarce, durable, and divisible, in promoting economic stability and individual liberty. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to critiquing the current fiat currency system, characterized by its reliance on government-issued money which is susceptible to inflation, manipulation, and political interference. Ammous argues that this system leads to economic cycles of booms and busts, erodes savings, and encourages unsustainable levels of debt and consumption. Enter Bitcoin. Introduced in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, it's presented as a revolutionary digital currency that offers a solution to the pitfalls of fiat currencies. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, capped supply of 21 million coins, and its underlying blockchain technology ensure that it is immune to manipulation, censorship, and inflation. These features make Bitcoin an attractive alternative for those seeking a more stable store of value and medium of exchange. Ammous extensively discusses Bitcoin's potential to serve as digital gold, highlighting its advantages in terms of portability, divisibility, and security. He argues that Bitcoin not only challenges the traditional financial system but also offers a path towards a more decentralized and free market economy. Critics might argue that the book's strong advocacy for Bitcoin overlooks its volatility, environmental impact, and regulatory challenges. However, Ammous maintains that these issues are surmountable or, in some cases, misconceived, underscoring Bitcoin's potential to fundamentally reshape the global economy. In essence, the Bitcoin Standard is both a historical analysis and a forward-looking manifesto. It offers a comprehensive examination of money's evolution and presents Bitcoin as a groundbreaking innovation with the potential to return the world to a standard of hard money. For readers interested in economics, technology, and the future of finance, Ammous' work provides a compelling case for why Bitcoin could be at the heart of a new monetary era.
Thank you for watching. If you found this summary enlightening, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more insightful content. Interested in diving deeper? The link to purchase the Bitcoin Standard is in the description below. Your support helps us bring more great discussions to light. Until next time, keep exploring the edges of innovation with us.